Everyone thinks the best-selling CB radio is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Cobra HHRT50 Road Trip. Let's kick things off with the Cobra HHRT50 Road Trip CB radio. This compact handheld radio caught my attention instantly. Priced at $109.95, it's designed for those who need reliable communication on the go. If you want a portable option that keeps you connected wherever you are, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Cobra HHRT50 really stands out for truckers. It features a magnetic mount antenna, which allows you to securely attach it to your vehicle for the best signal. With access to 40 channels, you can easily find the one with the clearest reception. The sound tracker system is a game changer, filtering out 90% of background noise so you can hear and be heard clearly, even in noisy environments. Plus, the NOAA weather alerts keep you informed about road conditions or emergencies, which is crucial when you're on a long drive. And it has a talking range of up to 5 miles, which is solid for a handheld device. Now, some people complained about the battery life. Here's the thing though, if you're using it while driving, you can have it plugged in, which mitigates this issue, so it's really not a deal breaker if you use it correctly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable solution that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional fixed installation. It offers decent value for a handheld radio. Now, if the portability of the Cobra HHRT50 is something you love, but you want something with a bit more power, this next radio might just be what you need. Product number 2, Uniden Pro 52XL. The Uniden Pro 52XL, a compact powerhouse priced at $87.45. This radio is known for its rugged design and is perfect for truckers who need something tough yet efficient. If you want a reliable unit that fits seamlessly in any vehicle, this is worth checking out. The Pro 52XL delivers 4 watts of output power, which gives you excellent range, up to 20 miles. That's important for staying in touch with fellow drivers or dispatchers. It also has an automatic noise limiter that reduces background noise, ensuring clear communication, which is essential when you're driving through busy areas. The Instant Channel 9 access is a lifesaver in emergencies, allowing you to get critical updates without fumbling through channels. On top of that, its compact size means it fits easily into any cab without taking up too much space. However, some users pointed out that the microphone cord is a bit short. Now, while that can be an inconvenience if you have a larger vehicle, you can always use an extension. It's a small compromise for such a solid radio. This is perfect for you if you need something compact yet powerful. Skip this one if you need a lot of features or a longer microphone cord. For the price, it's a smart choice for truckers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced features with their communication. Product number 3, Cobra HH50WXT-ST. Let's talk about the Cobra HH50WXT-ST, priced at $99.95. This handheld radio packs a lot of features into a compact design. If you want a device with dual-channel monitoring and weather alerts, this is worth a serious look. The HH50WXT-ST sports the sound tracker system, just like the Cobra HHRRT50, filtering out nearly all background noise for clearer communication. It also provides NOAA weather updates to keep you informed about any hazards ahead, something that can really make a difference when you're on the road. With a talking range of up to 20 miles, it's perfect for communicating with other truckers or your team. The illuminated display makes it easy to use in any lighting, which is a nice touch when you're driving at night. However, I did notice some complaints about the battery performance. While it's not known for long-lasting battery life, it's not a deal breaker if you use it while plugged in. Plus, if you're looking for a portable option, the benefits outweigh this drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile radio that you can take anywhere. Skip this one if you're looking for something that lasts a long time on battery alone. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a more traditional setup, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, Uniden Bearcat 980. The Uniden Bearcat 980, retailing for $190.13. This one's a bit pricier, but it comes packed with features that serious truckers will appreciate. If you're in need of a professional-grade radio with noise-canceling technology, this is worth considering. The Bearcat 980 allows for 40-channel operation with a digital display that has 7 color options, making it easy to read in all lighting conditions. The noise-canceling mic is a significant feature that reduces background noise, ensuring you get crystal clear communication with your contacts. Plus, it has a built-in SWR meter for antenna mounting, which is crucial for optimal performance. With a range of about 10 miles, it ensures you stay connected over long distances as well. Now, a few users mentioned that it might be complicated to set up for beginners, but I'll be real with you. If you take the time to learn the features, it's worth it for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich radio that delivers professional quality communication. Skip this one if you're looking for something user-friendly right out of the box. Given its capabilities, it's a solid investment for serious truckers. All right, moving on to our final product on this list that brings you a classic design with modern capabilities. Product number 5, Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. We have the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome priced at $179.95. This radio has been a staple in the industry for years, and for good reason. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-operate CB radio, this is worth a serious look. The Cobra 29 LTD offers access to all 40 channels and features adjustable receiver sensitivity, which helps you filter out background noise while maintaining good reception. It has a dual-mode AM/FM feature, allowing better communication with other users. The instant access to Emergency Channel 9 ensures you can get alerts when needed. Plus, it has SWR calibration to keep your antenna performance at its best, which is a huge plus for long-haul drivers. However, some users have commented that it can be a bit bulky. While it is larger than some handheld options, the stability and power it offers make it worthwhile for those who prioritize performance. This is perfect for you if you value reliability and ease of use in the traditional setup. Skip this one if you need something more portable. For the price, it's a classic choice that delivers great value. To sum it up, each of these radios has its strengths. The Cobra HHR T50 is great for portability. The Uniden Pro 520XL is compact and powerful. The Cobra HHI 50WXST offers versatility. The Uniden Bearcat 980 is for the serious tech-savvy user. And the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome is a classic, reliable option. Whatever your needs, there's a radio here that can help keep you connected on the road. To sum it up, each of these radios has its strengths. The Cobra HHR T50 is great for portability. The Uniden Pro 520XL is compact and powerful. The Cobra HH50WXST offers versatility. The Uniden Bearcat 980 is for the serious tech-savvy user. And the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome is a classic, reliable option. Whatever your needs, there's a radio here that can help keep you connected on the road.